We do it for you. The most challenging aspects of helping your kids do science experiments are finding the time to help them and collecting all the materials. That's why with RATATAZ, we've done all the hard work for you. Each box has a set of video tutorials with me as the instructor, and I will walk your child through the lessons. Also, all the materials are pre-measured, pre-cut, and pre-organized, like these, so you don't have to run to the store for super glue or dig in the junk drawer for rubber bands. Everything is already in the box. All you need to do is hand your child the box when it arrives, take out the QR code on the little card, put your child in front of a computer screen or iPad, pull up the videos with the QR code, and then sit back and watch them learn. It's that simple. We create everything right here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Here's our warehouse, and let's go meet the team. We'll go ahead and meet the folks that are assembling all of your kits. All right, so here's the team. The RATATAZ team assembling all of our test tubes and putting things in bags and putting labels on test tubes. Everybody say hi. Hi. This is where all boxes get assembled. We have a whole bunch of boxes here ready to ship. Click to learn more about our RATATAZ curriculum subscription kits.